guys, we got the 1983 Yamaha Tri Moto 200 out today. As you can see, we got dual wheels on it, dual rear wheels. So we're gonna see how it does in the spring snow. Almost 40 degrees today, so nice and sticky, sloppy snow, heavy. We'll see. I think it'll help me stay on top, but let's find out. Let's check this thing out a little bit. Pretty much just hacked it together. Took the wheel studs out and just put some threaded rod through with some nuts. Put them together. It's nothing long term. Just a quick thing I did to see how she'd go. So let's hit the trail, or hit the field anyways. Let's see what she'll do. Definitely uses quite a bit of power in this snow. This thing's only a little 200, so. Second gear's about it. If I shift to third, it just falls on its face, so we'll keep her in second. See if we can get through the woods here. Oh, even second, we're losing. Well, dang. Yeah, she's easy to get out at least. Guess we better stick to the field. Back on our track for a minute. I know she likes to throw the snow. Oh, but it is, what is it, March 22nd today, 2023. Still got a little bit of snow, so can't go too far, I wouldn't imagine, but we're gonna try it. Stick to the snowmobile path here. We should be able to get up here. Oh, forgot about that. Well, it goes pretty good on this, but then again, this is packed down from the snowmobile. Me coming up here quite a bit. As you can see out in the field, we're still sank a little bit, but like I said, it is pretty warm, so it could have definitely a reason why. Oh. Boy, beautiful day to go riding though. Wish they had a few more trails opened up with the snowmobile, but snowmobile trails are open still here, but I don't know, I don't really like riding in this temperature. The snow is too sticky, it doesn't cool the sleds down very good. If you, and you're sweating, usually. You know, if you got some good carbides on, you're all set, but I'll stick to the three-wheeler today. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, I need a little bit more power. I know I'm not going to be able to make it, but I barely go on flat ground. Oh, not bad. At least we get out for a little ride, I guess. You know it doesn't turn quite as sharp anymore like this. Oh. Might be walking this one out here. Not horrible. If anything, it looks cool. Definitely affected performance. A lot more weight back there for this little 200 to turn. We're gonna get back on to fixing some four-wheelers here pretty soon. Gonna see if we can make it back up through the field. I don't know if I can or not, but sure gonna give it a try. We're not gonna forget about the dip this time. I got no brakes on this, so get any surprises like that kind of suck. This thing's beating me up a little bit today. Alright, let's see here. Front wheel doesn't want to travel where I want it to. Alright, we're definitely going to stick to a path here that we can get up through. Like that one. See, as soon as you hit third gear, unless you're in a track already, just no power. Whoa. Especially when that front tire digs down. It doesn't work the best, but it goes okay. Oh, we made it back. That's all that matters, right? Oh, I forgot to use my phone mount. Get the Lamical phone mount here. That thing works pretty slick. But, well, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the little ride along, and thanks for watching.